today on Princess Anu-TV. And today, guys, we are going to be talking about how to make people love you. 6 ways, simple 6 ways. They are not really simple, so let me not use the word simple because to make people love you is a job. It's something you have to do, and it's a work you have to do on yourself, not now on the other person. Because in the last video we actually talked about how to make good friends, and there are some things too that you have to do to make people love you. So now we're going to be talking about ourselves. What do we do to enhance ourselves to make people actually love us? Now, not just love us on the peripheral, but love us genuinely. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, guys. If you're new to this channel, this is Princess Anu-TV. We talk about aviation, motivation, and adventure. So we're like catching fun today. But anyways, that's what we talk about on this channel. And if you're new here, we need you to do what? Subscribe. We need you to subscribe. Anyway, subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything on this channel. We're going to be going straight into the topic because these 6 ways are things that are really, really important for me, and I think we should talk about it. The first thing that you can do, the number 1 tip that I have for you, that you can actually do to make people love you, is that you need to take good care of yourself. You can see that this is something that nobody will do for you. It's you that is going to be doing it for yourself. You need to be able to take good care of yourself. If you don't take good care of yourself, people will not see that attractiveness to be able to come to you. If, for instance, you dress anyhow, you wear any kind of clothes, your things are scattered, you just do your things jaga jaga, who wants to tag along with somebody that is scattered? Have you ever seen a mad person moving on the road and people want to actually associate with that person? No. I'm not saying you're mad, but you need to be able to coordinate yourself in such a way that when people see you, they want to like, oh, I like this person. Oh, I think I need to talk to this person. And this is it. Have you seen that some ladies actually make friends with people that maybe dress in a certain type of style, or maybe use some certain kind of gadgets, or maybe go to some certain kind of places? It's not, sometimes it's not even like they like those people, or maybe like, yeah, they like them. They just see some kind of things around them and they just like, I'll tag myself along with this person. Why? Just because of what the person dressed, just because of what the person is carrying, or just because of the kind of handbag she's holding, or just because of the kind of phone she's using. So sometimes your dressing, if almost 7 times, it matters a lot. So if you want people to love you, you need to be able to take good care of yourself. You don't have to be jaka everywhere. This one is there, that one is no. Put yourself together. That's one of the ways people will actually love you, and value, very, very important. Number 2 is that you have to be valuable. Like personally, if you're not the kind of person that you're very intellectual, saying things, doing things, I can only greet you like on a normal, like, oh, good day, hi, how you doing, all this, and we'll all go. But people that are intellectual, people that I know that they will give value in a certain way, they'll tell me that, oh, blessing, if you add this thing to your content, it's going to make it superb. Oh, blessing, if you do this, I kind of like have a sit-down talk with them, because I know that these people have something to bring to the table, in the sense that, okay, even if it's an advice, you must not have like every single thing. It's just something, just a little thing that you can give that can make people actually say, oh, no, I actually like the way she's doing this, and I think I can contribute something to her. And like, oh, this person's valuable. Oh, she's valuable, he's valuable. And people will tag along with you, and they will love you genuinely, because even if they don't want to love you on a normal day, they will not have a choice, because you are of value to them. Have you seen people saying that, oh, me, I don't like the way my dad does this, I don't like the way my mom does it. But when they need money, they're going to come back. They're going to be like, Daddy, just like I say sometimes, Daddy, please, I need money. And you don't have a choice. This person is of value to you. So no matter what he or she does, you don't have a choice. You have to stick there, because the person has a value that he or she is offering to you. So that's one of the ways people can actually love you, because you are valuable. Number 3 tip is that you need to be confident. Seriously, staying around with somebody that is just shy, it worsens matters. But like, oh, can we go to that place together? You see, I'm shy. I don't want somebody to see me. I'm shy. Like, staying around those kind of people can be tiring. So you don't want to be that kind of person. I hope I'm not rushing my words. Okay, maybe we should take it gradually. You don't want to be that kind of person. Try as much as possible to be confident. Don't be shy. I made a video saying 15 things I wish I knew in my early 20s. And I talked about this. If you've not watched that video, go watch it. I'm going to be leaving the link up here to that video. Go check it out. Watch it. Seriously, you don't want to be shy. There are a lot of things you will lose as a person by being shy. There are a lot of things. I don't want to even start listing them. I listed like 2 in that video. You can check it out. But there are a lot of things you will lose as a person if you are a shy type. Oh, no, I don't want them to know me. Oh, I don't want to do that. You don't want to be doing that. Trust me, you don't want to be doing that. So I think you should watch it. If you're a shy person, you need to be confident. Try as much as possible to be confident. That is what will make people tag along with you, because they're like, oh, let's go, and you're like, don't worry, let's follow her. She will do it better. I know you're getting my point anyways. I know you're getting me. Next on my list, you need to be genuinely interested in what they love. And now I talked about some things that you would do, but you actually need to be genuinely interested in what this your friends love, in what this your people around you, whether acquaintance or whatever. If you really want them to love you, there are people that they have like fans, celebrity fans and all that, and it's because they just follow their music and they love them genuinely. You see some people wanting to break their neck over a particular football fan, or wanting to cut their leg over maybe an actor or an actress and all that. They genuinely love them, even if these people don't know them, and it's because they're interested in what they do. Like, they're like, oh, I like the way she acts, I like the way she does, and they're interested in them. So you need to be interested in what the person does. In people around you, you need to be interested. Don't say that, oh, you want people to love you and all that, and everybody's like trash to you. Everybody's like, I beg, you push back way. I beg, It's not going to work that way. Trust me, it's not going to work that way. You need to switch it up and be interested genuinely in what they love. Next is that you need to learn to compliment people. See, guys, this 5th tip I'm telling you, it works like magic. The moment you sit down and learn how to compliment people. See, there's nothing, even the worst person on this earth, there's still something good about that person. I'm telling you the truth. The worst person on this earth, there's something that is special and good about that person. So if you see them on the road, you can say, oh God, I like your shirt. Oh, I like the way you talk. Actually, it's very nice. I'd be like, oh, I like the way you cut your hair. It's nice. Oh, I like your shoe. There's always something nice about that person. Even if you feel the person is a devil, there's still something nice about the person. Even the devil is even consistent. The devil, when he wants to shut down somebody's life, he's consistent. He keeps doing it back to back. So consistency is even a good thing. That's the truth. So there's always something good about the next person for you to like. So don't always think that, oh, this person is bad, they don't have anything good, so what am I complimenting? If you want people to love you, you need to be able to compliment them. It's going to help matters and save you a lot of stress. And lastly, the number 6 tip I have for you in today's video on how to make people love you is that you need to be able to appreciate them. Somebody brings a pen for you, thank you very much, sir, I appreciate you. Somebody brings something for you, thank you very much, ma. Somebody gives you something, thank you very much, ma. You send somebody to do something, thank you very much. Like, learn to say thank you. Appreciate people. Lose off that attitude of, I beg, am I not paying her? Am I not paying him? So, people are not going to love you that way. That's the truth. Whether you're paying her, or you're paying him, or you're doing something for her, or if you're doing the person a favor, still yet, that person is doing something for you, and you need to appreciate the person. That person is a human being. So if you've not been appreciating your staffs, people that work around you, your domestic workers, the people in your office, your boss, and everybody, you need to learn how to start appreciating them, because you appreciating them is going to make them love you. It's going to make them see some good attitudes or some aspects of you that, oh, I like the way she does the things, because wow, there's nothing you do for her that she doesn't say thank you. It's a good recommendation. Trust me, that recommendation can give you a job. That recommendation can take you far, extreme places. So do well, guys, to always appreciate people. Tell them good, be valuable to them. Take good care of your own body. Like, do these 6 tips, and trust me, your life will be much, much easier. So guys, we meet next time in the next video, and also in the live streams which we do by 5 p.m. every day. Do well to join me. If you've not subscribed, also subscribe. If you've not liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Very, very important. And let me know some other comments that you have concerning how to make people, like you, love you, and all that. So till we meet next time. Bye, guys. Thank you so much.